Have you ever wondered which creatures lurking beneath the waves are truly the most dangerous? There is a wide range of life in the ocean, rivers and lakes, but there is also real danger. Over thousands of years, aquatic animals have developed strong defenses, such as camouflage, poison, and raw damaging power. There are a surprising number of marine species that are among the deadliest on Earth when they accidentally or intentionally attack people. Here are 10 of the most dangerous animals that live in water. Each one is dangerous in its own way. Number 10. The pufferfish is in the family Tetraodontidae. A neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin is found in many types of pufferfish. It is hundreds of times stronger than cyanide. Even though pufferfish are usually small and don't look dangerous, they are some of the most dangerous animals in the ocean because this poison can paralyze them severely or even kill them. Tetrodotoxin is mostly found in the liver, ovaries, and guts of fish, but it can sometimes be found on the exterior of the fish as well. If someone eats or comes into touch with pufferfish that hasn't been properly cooked, its toxin can block nerve signals, which can paralyze muscles, stop breathing, and even kill the person. In Japan and a few other places, pufferfish, which is called fugu there, is a special treat. It is very dangerous to prepare fugu because even a small mistake in taking out the poisonous parts can kill you. Because of this, cooks have to go through years of training and get licenses to safely handle and serve pufferfish. Accidental poisonings don't happen very often, but when they do, the results are usually very bad and need medical help right away. It's a stark warning that in nature, looks can be deceiving because pufferfish can be very dangerous. Number 9. The great white shark, Carcharodon carcharias, and the tiger shark. Now, people often think of sharks when they want to think of dangerous sea creatures, and it's easy to see why. One of the most well-known is the great white shark, which has been involved in hundreds of attacks on people around the world. Even though sharks don't go out of their way to hunt people, terrible things can happen when a swimmer or surfer is mistaken for one of their normal prey, like a seal. The tiger shark is another well-known predator. It eats a lot of different things and often goes into shallow coastal areas where it is more likely to meet people. When compared to attacks by other poisonous marine species, shark attacks are very rare. But when they do happen, they are very bad because these animals are so big, strong, and have very sharp teeth. Even one bite can hurt or kill you badly. Sharks and people usually run into each other by accident, but when they do, it's a stark reminder of how strong and unpredictable these ocean hunters are. Respecting their space and following safety rules while in the water are important ways to keep yourself safe and live together with these amazing but possibly dangerous animals. Number 8. Lionfish. Lionfish are both incredibly beautiful and surprisingly dangerous, especially in places where they have spread quickly. They live in many warm and subtropical waters around the world. People are most likely to get hurt by them when they are handled incorrectly, not when they attack. The lionfish's spines have venom that can be very painful, cause swelling, make you sick, make it hard to breathe, and in rare cases, temporarily paralyze you. Although lionfish bites don't usually kill, they are very painful and may need medical help to control the symptoms. Besides being dangerous to people, lionfish are also very bad for the environment. They spread quickly because they are invasive species, and in many places they don't have any natural enemies, so their numbers can grow very quickly. Other sea creatures find it hard to eat them because they have poisonous spines, and eating local fish upsets ecosystems and threatens biodiversity. Divers, fishers, and conservationists trying to control lionfish populations must be very careful when handling them and use protective gear or special tools. Lionfish are really pretty, but they are also a warning of how dangerous things can be in the ocean. Number 7. Portuguese man-of-war. It's not a single animal but a group of specialized polyps acting together to float on the surface of the water. Its long, trailing tentacles have nematocysts inside them that, when touched, fire and inject venom that hurts very badly, makes sores, and in rare cases causes systemic responses. Even though stings rarely kill healthy adults, they can be very painful and could be dangerous for kids or people who are easily hurt. Many people swim too close to it without realizing the danger because it looks like a jellyfish. Number 6. The Nile crocodile, Crocodilus niloticus, and the saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus. These crocodiles are some of the most dangerous animals that live in water, even though they don't live in water all the time. They wait in rivers, bays, and along the coast to attack. The saltwater crocodile is especially well known because it is very dangerous and easy for it to attack people because it is so big. It is thought that more than 1,000 attacks by these kinds of crocodiles happen in some areas each year, and many of them end in death. They are some of the most dangerous predators in water because they can drag their prey beneath and bite them to death. Number 5. Sea snakes, family Elapidae, many kinds. Sea snakes are found all over the warm oceans. They are some of the most poisonous snakes in the world. Even so, they rarely bite people and kill them. Most of the time, they give dry bites without venom or venomous bites that aren't felt because they don't hurt or swell. If you get stung by a snake, it can paralyze you, break down your muscles, rhabdomyolysis, and even kill your kidneys. In very few cases, people have died because they couldn't get medical help right away. Sea snakes are a unique and dangerous threat in marine settings because their poison is very strong and they stay underwater for long periods of time. Number 4. Cone snail, Conus genus. It's possible for cone snails' shells to look innocent, even pretty, but they have a harpoon in their proboscis. This harpoon injects a complicated mix of neurotoxins that are designed to kill different kinds of prey, like fish and worms. People should stay away from some species, like the Conus geographus. When you get stung, you might feel pain, stiffness, paralysis of the muscles, trouble breathing, or even death in the worst cases. People often get stung by cone snails by accident when they pick them up or step on them because they live in shallow, warm water. Researchers have looked into how to use their poison in medicine, but in the wild, they are still one of the most dangerous mollusks. Number 3. Sinensia species of stonefish. It's possible that stonefish are the most poisonous fish in the water because they can hide so well in coral and reef rock. When they are stepped on or moved, their lateral spines release a strong neurotoxin. The pain is famously severe, and it's followed by swelling, tissue death, and in the worst cases, death. However, deaths are rare if the injury is treated quickly. There is anti-venom, and one way to help break down venom in a hurt limb is to put it in hot water. Divers and people who go to the beach should always be on the lookout for what look like rocks that stick out from the reef and could be a hidden risk. Number 2. Blue-ringed octopus, genus Hapalochlena. The blue-ringed octopus is very small but very dangerous. It is very good at hiding until it feels threatened, at which point it flashes its bright blue rings to warn others. Its poison, which contains tetrodotoxin, is one of the strongest in the sea world. A small amount can stop your breathing and make you unable to move. This animal is very dangerous because it looks so small and harmless. When it bites, it often doesn't hurt, which throws people off. There is no poison to avoid. Different sites report different numbers of deaths, but most agree that the number of confirmed deaths is in the low double digits. Number 1. Box jellyfish, Chironex fleckeri. The box jellyfish is one of the deadly animals in the water and one of the most scary marine toxins. The sting of the Chironex fleckeri species is so strong that it can kill a person in just 5 minutes. It lives in the water around northern Australia. Its venom has hundreds of different poisons that attack the heart and nervous system and often cause the heart to stop beating. People often run into them when they accidentally touch the trailing limbs, which may not be visible in the water. Since the 1800s, deaths have been recorded, and the pain from a sting can be unbearable. Survivors have said it feels like being branded with a hot iron. There are often warning signs on beaches in high-risk areas, and in some places, net shelters are used to keep swimmers safe during jellyfish season. If you want to explore the hidden dangers of the ocean, hit subscribe and never miss a countdown of the deadliest creatures.